Good morning, Rogers Motor Cars here. We have got a 1993 Ford Bronco. This was originally an XLT. However, it has been converted into a King Ranch. It's got a 6-inch lift, 37-inch tires, 20-inch fuel wheels. I was told that the motor was replaced with a Jasper motor and transmission 2 years ago. Now this does have a rebuilt title, this Bronco. It's got really nice Fox suspension. Big lift kit. Amp Research power boards. Drop down, take a quick look inside. All of this interior has been custom done. All King Ranch. The dash. Even the headliner is leather. These are the seats out of a 2004 to 2008, I believe, F-150. They are power, they work. Custom console, there's some USB hookups there. It's got a big sound system in it, big Rockford Fosgate 12-inch subs in the back. And there's pictures of all that on the website. Even the panels back here have been wrapped and custom done. Steering wheel. Nice head unit with Apple CarPlay. And there's a wireless CB radio here. The remote or the mic is right there. Pretty cool conversion. Dual exhaust, cold air intake. It is a 5.8 liter. There's no spare tire. It's got Willwood disc brakes in the front. Got the King Ranch badging there. Give it a rev here. It's got a custom gauge there in the middle. Power windows, power mirrors. Pretty neat. Somebody put a lot of work into this. It's been repainted. The top has been reshot with that darker brown to match the brown King Ranch trim. It's got a couple little dings here and there. Nothing wild. Give us a call, text, email us. RogersMotorcars.com is the website. You can check us out on Instagram, Rogers_Motorcars. We hope to hear from you.